Imagine a house that never dissolves, a house that represents the diverse states and union territories of India. This is the Rajya Sabha, an integral pillar of the Indian constitution. Unlike its counterpart, the Lok Sabha, which dissolves every 5 years, the Rajya Sabha stands as a permanent body, ensuring continuous legislative proceedings. It's a house that echoes the voices of India's states and union territories, giving them a platform on the national stage. The Rajya Sabha doesn't merely represent the people, it represents the regions and their unique identities. It's not just about the numbers. Each state, each union territory, regardless of its size or population, has a voice. It's a testament to India's rich diversity and the strength of its federal structure. And so, the Rajya Sabha stands, a house that never sleeps, ceaselessly working for the people of India. The Rajya Sabha is the voice of India's regions, a testament to the country's diversity and federal structure. But how does the Rajya Sabha ensure fair representation? The answer lies in Schedule 4 of the Indian Constitution. This section of the Constitution is like a blueprint, a guide that meticulously details how seats in the Rajya Sabha are allocated. It's the master plan that ensures each state and union territory in India has a voice in this crucial legislative body. At its core, Schedule 4 is about fairness. It's about ensuring every state, every union territory, regardless of size or population, has a say in the decisions that shape the nation. The allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha is largely based on population. The more populous a state, the more seats it gets. The latest census data is used to determine this, but it's not just about the numbers. The President of India plays a crucial role here, having the power to specify the number of seats allocated to each state and union territory. But what about the union territories? They're a unique part of India's political landscape. Schedule 4 recognizes this, and it specifies their representation separately. Despite population size, each union territory is allocated a fixed number of seats. This ensures they too have a voice, that they too are heard. And then there's the nomination by the President. This is where Schedule 4 introduces a dash of diversity to the Rajya Sabha. The President can nominate individuals who have made significant contributions to art, literature, science, and social services. These are the voices that bring a different perspective, a fresh viewpoint to the Rajya Sabha. Members of the Rajya Sabha serve for a term of 6 years. However, to maintain continuity, 1/3 of the members retire every 2 years. This system keeps the Rajya Sabha dynamic and ever-evolving, just like the nation it represents. Thus, Schedule 4 ensures that the Rajya Sabha is a vibrant, dynamic, and representative body. It's the guardian of fairness, the custodian of representation, ensuring every corner of India has a voice in the Rajya Sabha. So, what should you remember about the Rajya Sabha and Schedule 4 of the Indian Constitution? Well, it's important to remember that the Rajya Sabha plays a crucial role as a representative body of the states and union territories of India. It's a permanent fixture in India's parliamentary structure, meaning it never dissolves, providing continuity in the legislative process. Now, let's take a quick recap of the key points about Schedule 4. First up, seat allocation. The schedule outlines the distribution of seats in the Rajya Sabha to each state and union territory. This allocation is primarily based on the population of the respective states and territories, according to the most recent census data. The President of India has the authority to specify the number of seats allocated to each state and union territory. Next, we have the representation of union territories. While most of the seats are allocated based on population, the representation of union territories is handled a bit differently. These territories are given a fixed number of seats regardless of their population size. Then there's the matter of presidential nominations. The President of India holds the power to nominate members to the Rajya Sabha. These are typically individuals who have made significant contributions to fields like art, literature, science, and social services, and their inclusion brings a diverse range of expertise and perspectives to the table. Finally, let's not forget the duration of representation. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. However, 1/3 of the members retire every 2 years. This cycle ensures that there's always a mix of fresh perspectives and experienced hands in the House. And remember, the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha is periodically reviewed and updated to reflect changes in population distribution among states and territories. This ensures a fair and equitable representation of all parts of India in the upper house of the parliament. In essence, the Rajya Sabha and Schedule 4 together ensure that India's diversity finds a voice, and that voice is heard loud and clear.